Hi everyone, it's been a while since I shot a Grasshopper video for you, so I prepared this exercise file today where we're going to look at a spiraling ramp and a digrid type of structural connectivity between the ramp surface. So all of this is going to be generated parametrically, so I'm using kind of a topological model that can control the amplitude of the section of the staircase as much as the width of it. So these are some of the topological controls that I have built, and I'm actually going to show this as a longer video, cover some of the aspects, technical aspects of how to approach the modeling of this. So let me actually bake a version here where we can look at kind of the model that it generates, so you can actually produce a lot of complex geometry with this. And what's nice is that the X bracings or the connections of this digrid are actually formed on the ramp. So that's the kind of technical aspect of generating this type of spiraling structure. So I'm actually going to cut this video short to show you kind of a preview of the next tutorial. If you are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribe to the channel. These days I'm actually covering videos on JavaScript coding. So I'm teaching a course on generative art and NFTs this semester at Kadir Has University. So I'm actually recording my tutorial sessions for that course. But I will also be uploading some content like this, and I have also launched a website where you can find some examples of custom Grasshopper tools that are available for you to download. I'm also considering launching a Patreon page where you would be able to have access to these codes that I cover on this channel. So if you're interested in supporting the channel, please follow the upcoming announcements on the Patreon page. So I'm going to basically get some email list and share the type of codes that are generated on the channel, as well as like other tools that you might be interested in. So it's going to be kind of an interesting community, I hope. So that will be all for this tutorial. This was actually kind of a sneak peek or preview of this next tutorial, and I'll see you in the longer explanation video. Take care.